Mama, I'm gonna comb your hair.
Okay. Where you going, buddy? Broads. Can you say mama?
Mama, sit down in the chair.
Uh-oh, somebody's gonna fall backwards. Silly boy, what are you doing? Brody, can you say mama? Say mama. Say mama. Can you say mama? Say dada. Can you say dada? Brody. Broads, look this way. Say dada.
Ba, ba, ba.
No, say dada. Why are you looking this way all of a sudden now? Uh-oh. Bye-bye. Brody, come back this way. Oh boy. Crash, crash. Oh, ouch, you got me.
Doesn't really get you done. Please.
Was I kidding?
Because I'm the hair lady.
You're the hair lady? Are you doing my hair?
What
What are you doing, Trub? No, no. Careful. Say mama. You say mama? No, what are you doing? You're gonna fall. No. Oh my goodness. Get down right now. Get down. No. Mason's doing my hair so I can't move. Alright, say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye. Oh my. You wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye. There we go. Bye-bye. Say blow kiss. Mwah. Where's your kisses? Broads. Blow kiss. Mwah. There. Mwah. Love you. Mwah.
You can't talk while I'm doing my hair, right?